A very good morning to students of standard 6th. In previous lecture and before that 2 to 3 lectures, we are just going through our chapter number 1, that is world of colors. Okay. In lecture number 1 and 2 we discuss about the colors. Okay. A story of a color that was based on a rainbow. Okay. Rainbow's color are of 7 different colors. It is made up of 7 different colors. Okay. And we have seen all these things. In that story we have seen that there are 7 colors who are fighting among themselves to prove themselves as a superior than the other. Okay. And in second part of this story, quarreling of a colors, in second part the rain comes and advise all the colors, give a good thoughts to all the color and make them stay together, work together and make a rainbow again. Okay. So this was the story that we have just completed. In the previous lecture also we have been we have discussed about the colors only. In that there were 3 stanzas. One stanza was of the beware animal, second was umber clay, and third stanza was about the 3 colors, that is razzle dazzle rose. Okay. Then one was purple color and one was the screaming green color. Okay. So in the third paragraph they have just discussed about the colors and shades of the colors and how you will write the names of that colors. Okay. Some are not having their names. Okay. Instead of that names they are having their own codes. Okay. If I am studying here, if I don't have my name here, then I have one code, that is my roll number. Okay. Some people may call me on the basis, or my class friends call me on the basis of my roll number. Okay. Okay. Roll number 23, then I will stand up because roll number 23 is my code. Like that these colors also have their codes. Then there was a activity number 9. In that activity number 9 I have said that you have to mix the colors. Okay. I will show you which color it is given here to mix. Okay. First one is of a mix green and blue. Mix green and blue. Okay. Then second one was orange and purple. Mix orange and purple. And third one was mix red blue and yellow. And here you have to write which color you will get. Okay. Name of the color that you get after mixing it. After mixing, and here you have to write, below this only you have to write. Okay. Below this you have to write the name of the color which you got after mixing green and blue. Okay. And below that you have to write name of the color. Name of the color. But this name should be of yours. Okay. It should not be borrowed from elsewhere. It should be your own name to these 3 colors. Okay. So this was our activity number 9. And in activity number 10 there is a idioms. Okay. What do you mean by idioms? That they are giving one sentence. Okay. In the sentence they are giving one sentence, but that sentence gives us a different meaning in our life. Okay. So there are 2 idioms or 3 idioms given, and from there they have given one idioms, one means one saying is given to you, and from the below they have given 3 to 4 sentences, and from that you have to pick up the right sentence which gives a proper meaning of that idioms. Okay, so in that our first idiom is that I will write here. Okay, once in a blue moon. What is first our sentence? Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Now they have given, this is our idiom number 1, once in a blue moon. Now you have to just pluck the correct meaning of this idiom from given sentences. Okay, in that our first sentence is I only eat sweets once in a blue moon. कि मैं पूरे साल में एक ही बार स्वीट खाता हूँ. आई ईट स्वीट्स वंस इन अ ब्लू मून. ओके, आई रियली ट्राई टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. कि मैं अपने ख्याल रखने के लिए एक ही बार स्वीट्स खाता हूँ. तो क्या इस इडियम का मीनिंग ये हो सकता है? वी विल डिसाइड आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, नाउ second sentence they have given is the only part of the work I didn't like was once in a blue moon we have to stay all night doing paper work. Okay, तो कि मुझे the only part of the work I didn't like was कि जो मैं वर्क करता था उसका एक ही पार्ट मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. कौन सा? कि एक दिन ऐसा आया था ब्लू मून का कि तब मैं पूरे दिन पूरी नाइट में अपना काम ही करता रहा. वो दिन मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. एंड दैट वर्क आई डिडंट लाइक. वंस इन अ ब्लू मून यू माइट गेट लकी बट द बेस्ट वे टू गेट वॉट यू वॉन्ट इज टू वर्क हार्ड. ओके, नाउ थिंक अबाउट द सेंटेंसेस. व्हाट डू यू थिंक वंस इन अ ब्लू मून मीन्स? नाउ आई हैव रेड ऑल दिस 3 sentences. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस 3 sentences which one is better for the once in a blue moon? Now once in a blue moon means हिंदी में हम इसे कहते हैं कि कभी कभार. कभी कभार और बहुत ही कम. ओके, मीन्स बहुत ही कम मीन्स in a month or if I give an example, then in a month I study math subject once in a year. तो मैं कभी कभार एक बार ही मैं मैथ्स पढ़ लेता हूँ. पूरे साल में मैं एक ही बार मैथ्स पढ़ लेता हूँ. ये इसका एग्जाम्पल है. वंस इन अ ब्लू मून मीन्स द एक्टिविटी विच यू आर डूइंग और एनी एक्टिविटी विच यू आर डूइंग बट दैट एक्टिविटी यू आर डूइंग वंस ओनली. ओके, कभी कभी ही आप करते हो. आप रोज़ पिज़्ज़ा तो नहीं खाते, आप कभी कभी पिज़्ज़ा खाने जाते हो. तो ये इसका मीनिंग हुआ कि कोई चीज़ या कोई क्रिया है जो वो आप कभी कभी करते हो तो वो किसके अंदर आएगा? वंस इन अ ब्लू मून के अंदर आएगा. इसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि कभी कभी मैं ये काम करता हूँ, कभी कभार मैं ये काम करता हूँ. आई एम नॉट डूइंग रेगुलरली ऑल दिस थिंग्स बट कभी कभी मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. ओके, so only eat sweets once in a blue moon. I really try to. So our first sentence is also true. We can say that because they are eating a sweets once in a year or once in a month. क्योंकि वो अपने शरीर को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये डिसीजन लिया है. तो ये सही है क्योंकि वो डेली स्वीट्स नहीं खाते. once only they are eating the sweets. Then second one sentence was our the only part of the work I didn't like was once in a blue moon we have to stay all night doing paperwork. They are not doing that paperwork all the nights but they did that paperwork once in a year and they didn't like it. The work is done by the students or any people, okay, or any man or any girl. They are doing the work but the work which is done throughout the full night was not liked by that person. Okay, so वो भी एक तो हम कह सकते हैं यहाँ पे, तो वो भी एक सही है, क्योंकि उसने वो काम एक ही रात किया था पूरे साल में, हाँ, पूरे साल में या 2-3 साल में, या यू कैन कंसीडर एज यू वांट, ओके। तो उसने एक ही बार वो काम किया था पूरी नाइट, पर वो उसे अच्छा नहीं लगा, ओके। वंस इन अ ब्लू मून यू माइट गेट अ लकी, बट द बेस्ट वे टू गेट वॉट यू वांट इज़ टू वर्क हार्ड। कि लक हमारा है तो लक एक ही बार आता है, हाँ? हमें ज़्यादातर चांस हमारी लाइफ में नहीं मिलता, कभी कभी ही हमें चांस मिलता है। अगर हमें ज़्यादा चांस चाहिए तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, तो हमें हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा। समझो, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड इट, ओके। कि हमारा लक कभी कभी हमें साथ देता है। इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एग्जाम्स, if I take an example of yours, if you are preparing for your second round test, you have been prepared for it, okay, पर कभी कभी क्या होता है कि लक हमारे साथ होता है, जो हम पढ़ के आते हैं तो वही पूछा जाता है, और कई बार क्या होता है कि जो हम पढ़ के आते हैं वो नहीं पूछा गया और दूसरा कुछ और ही पूछा गया है, तो वो हमारे लक के साथ नहीं हुआ। यस और नो? यस, वी आर नॉट लकी, बट दिस लक डज नॉट हैपन्स एवरी टाइम, ओके। इन एक पेपर में हुआ तो ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरा पेपर में भी ऐसा ही होगा, तीसरा पेपर में भी ऐसा होगा कि हमारा लक हमें साथ देगा, जो मैं पढ़ के जाऊँ वो ही पेपर में पूछा जाएगा, तो वो ऐसा नहीं होता। अगर वैसा करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्या आपको मेहनत ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी, आपको रीड, सब कुछ रीड करना पड़ेगा, हाँ। इट शुड बी नॉट, यू शुड नॉट ऑप्ट टू रीड दिस एंड दिस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ओके। You should not decide that I am to read only this much part, this much part I will not read. If it will be asked from this part, then I will write, and if it will not ask, then I will not write. You should not think like that, okay. You should think that I will read all the things. If it is asked from any corner of the book, then I will be able to answer it in my answer sheet. So luck हमें कभी कभी ही हमारा साथ देते हैं, पूरे साल या पूरी एग्ज़ाम में हमारा साथ नहीं देता, तो इसके हिसाब से ये भी सही हमारा आंसर है। नाउ सेकेंड वन इज गिवन, सेकेंड इडियम इज गिवन। ये तो सबको पता ही होगा, शो ट्रू कलर्स, शो ट्रू कलर्स। नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ शो ट्रू कलर्स। हम कभी कभी हमारे दोस्त को हम बोलते हैं कि तूने तो आज अपना रंग ही दिखाई दिया, रंग दिखाई दिया, ओके। वी आर सेइंग दैट टुडे यू शोड योर कलर्स ऑफ योर फेस, ओके, हाउ यू आर बिहेविंग विथ अस, हाउ यू आर नोटोरियस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स। इफ टू पीपल आर पोलाइट, इफ माई फ्रेंड इज पोलाइट and sometimes he got very angry and he just told about all the things, he said me the bad words and all these things, then I will say that you are a polite friend of me, but why are you speaking like that? Today you showed your another face, okay, you showed me another friend, that friends are also with us, okay. We are also having like that friends, we are with whom they are just changing their colors according to the situations. Yes or no? After some days we also live. We are not keeping the friends who are changing, okay, who are changing their colors with the situation, okay. A friend, a true friend, it is said that whom you will call a true friend, who helps you in your difficult, when you are in difficulty, when they help, okay, when your friends help, at that time you can say that these are my good friends, because when you are happy and when you are wealthy, at that time all the friends are with you, but in your hard times when they help, then only you can say that these are my the good friends. Otherwise the people, the friends who are not helping in your hard times or difficult times, you can say that they have changed their colors, okay. So this is a good saying also, this is a good idiom that we all know, and our parents also know about it, because our parents also faced many of these people in the society also, okay. They have given 3 sentences about these idioms that I will read in front of you, okay. When people are under stress, they show their true color. कि जब कोई पर्सन स्ट्रेस में है, अगर उससे कोई काम नहीं होता है या फिर वो एग्ज़ाम का स्ट्रेस है, तब वो अपना कलर दिखाता है। ओके, पहला सेंटेंस ये है। दूसरा है, ही सीम्ड वेरी लविंग बिफोर द वेडिंग बट आफ्टरवर्ड ही बिगेन टू शो हिज ट्रू कलर्स। ओके, बिफोर द वेडिंग मीन्स बिफोर द मैरिज ही वॉज वेरी loving person or loving guy, he was taking care of me or her very much, but after the marriage he showed his color, means he changed his character, he was now not taking the care of his wife or a husband, he or she. Okay, now they were fighting with each other, so they have changed their nature, so they have changed their colors. You can say now you have shown your color. Okay, अपना रंग आपने दिखलाई दिया। नाउ तीसरा है, योर विलिंगनेस टू शो योर ट्रू कलर्स प्रूव्स यू हैव नथिंग टू हाइड। जो आपके अंदर जो विलिंगनेस है आपको कलर दिखाने में, आपका कलर दिखाने में, सो यू कैन नॉट हाइड एनीथिंग। ओके, कोई पर्सन ऐसा होता है कि अगर वो कोई चीज़ हाइड करना चाहता है, देन ऑल्सो वी आर नोइंग फ्रॉम हिज और हर फेस, वी आर नोइंग दैट he has done something else or he have done something mistake or he have just fought. From the appearance of the face we are concluding, means we are seeing the color of his face. Some people some people are angry, at that time their face color is changed. Okay, from white to red or something brown, black. Okay, so they have changed their color. So when we see that person, okay, when we see that person and if he tries to hide his problems or his activity, then also we can identify him on the basis of his color change of his body or a face. Okay, so some people cannot hide all these things, okay, because their color shows their work. So from these three things we can say, second one, he seems very loving before the wedding but afterward he began to show his true color. That is also right. And your willingness to show your true colors proves you have nothing to hide. Okay, that is also true. When people are under stress they show their true color. That is also true. So all these three sentences given in this idiom number 2, they all are correct for this idioms. Okay, and the last one is, read the example sentences that use the idiom get the green light. Now third one is get the green light. Get the green light. Now what do you mean by get the green light? What this idiom says to us? What this idiom says to us? Get a green light. Get the green light. What do you mean? If you have any idea, then you can write in your notebook also. Okay, now get the green light means you are getting the permission to do any work. Okay, to do any work or any activity or see, I will give you a best example, then you will understand more. Okay, I think that all of you have seen the train. Okay, the train which is standing on a railway station, a train which is standing on a railway station. Okay, after getting a green signal by a person who is standing near the train, then only train moves. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, second example that I will give you, that when we are just driving the car and we are moving with our family or some people or friends like that. Okay, and when you reach to a signal, there is red, yellow and green signal. Okay, now when you move towards the signal where I have told you that there is a red, yellow and green color. Okay, when the green light appears, at that time you are moving forward. They give a signal that now you can move forward with your work or with your car or anything else. Now they have given 3 sentences below it. Okay, from that you have to choose whether all the sentences are of the idiom get the green light or not. Okay, that you have to say. Now first one is, if you want to have a party, you will need to get the green light from both the parents. Okay, Now if the girls or if the boys want to do a party, they should take a permission from their parents, means they should have a green signal, they should have a green signal from their parents. If they are not allowing or if they are not giving a green signal, okay, if they are not giving a green signal means if they are not allowing them to do the party, if they are saying no to the party, then they cannot conduct a party. Okay, so if they want to do the party, they should have a green signal from their parents. Okay, now second one, we have the green light now, so we can go build the stadium. We have the green light now, कि हमें ग्रीन लाइट मिल गया है, तो अब हम कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ स्टेडियम, नाउ वी कैन गो forward in it. Okay, now we can start to construct the stadium. We have got a signal of doing the work. And the third one is, I am happy to say we have got the green light to go ahead with the same. मुझे आज बताने में ये खुशी है कि हमें ग्रीन सिग्नल मिल गया है हमारे सेल को आगे बढ़ाने में. ओके, द पर्सन हु इज़ वर्किंग इन द मार्केट, तो वो खुश है क्योंकि उसके जो बॉस है उसने ग्रीन सिग्नल दे दिया है अपने सेल को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. सो ऑल दिस थ्री सेंटेंसेस दैट इज गिवन इन दिस इडियम are of the get the green light. Okay, so all these three sentences satisfies these idioms. Okay, so these idioms, that now try to find out different idioms in Gujarati also and English also, okay, by yourself, and you can discuss with your parents, friends. Okay, parents and friends, if there is a brother or sister, then you can discuss with them. Okay, so this was our chapter number 1, and I will send the PDF of this chapter number 1 to you. And when you buy, means you can buy it or you can just go to the market after this week. I think it may be available there. Okay, it may be available there in next week also. So you can buy the textbook and you can see from there. But till that I will send the PDF of chapter number 1, and you can go through the chapter number 1. Okay, and I have said that you have to write the things that in your English notebook also. Have you written or not? If not, then you should write in the English notebook also. Okay, the things which I have told you to write in the notebook, that you should write in the notebook, I have said in the videos only. Okay, till that we'll meet in a next lecture. Till that, thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you, students.